Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm showing y'all how to make a little grid on a picture. So basically I just found out this picture from Tumblr. I searched it up on Google and then I selected the one I wanted. I found like 2 or 3. Then you're gonna open up a plain white thumbnail size picture on Fonto. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch how I make my thumbnail video. And then you basically resize the picture so it's fitted where you want the cloud part or the design to be. So you have to move it a little so you can see exactly where the white picture is that it's gonna go on top of. And then move it up or down because that section will be the only section showing up. It won't save as the full size picture. And then once that is saved, you're gonna go over to an app called Grid Hashtag. I think when you first get it, I don't know if it opens up automatically like this, but you basically press on the little camera button. It'll select the picture from your camera roll, and then there was already a grid on there because I think it comes it starts off with a regular standard grid, and then I don't know how to. I can't basically with this part you just have to move it around. So you can add more or less rows depending on how spaced out or how close you want the grid to be. And then there's a part where you can change how thick it is, the line width, I think. And I put mine on either 6 or 3, I forgot which one. And then you can change the color of the grid. You can do a bunch of things. So just play around with the app because that's what I had to do to figure it out. There wasn't any do this, do that. Just move out the rows, move the columns until you get a nice even sized grid. And then you can save that. And then I was just making a thumbnail, but y'all don't really need to see that, which is why I cut it off later in the video. And then to save the picture, just hold down on it for a few seconds until you see that little thing on the bottom pull up, the save video or save picture, I think. But yeah, that's how you save it. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.
That you're worth it, I can't walk away.